Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to WordPress.com SEO tools for improved index. Once logged in, navigate to your site dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate the Plan section. Click on Plan to view the subscription options available for your site. If you haven't already, consider upgrading to a plan that includes SEO tools. Select a suitable plan that meets your needs and click on it. Follow the prompts to complete the upgrade process. After upgrading, return to your site dashboard. In the left-hand menu, find the SEO option. Click on SEO to access the available tools and features. Familiarize yourself with the various SEO tools provided. These may include site visibility settings, keyword optimization, and site diagnostics. To improve indexing, ensure that your site is set to be indexed by search engines. Review the options for customizing your SEO settings. Make use of keyword suggestions and optimization tips offered by the tools. Regularly update and refine your content to align with SEO best practices. Monitor your site's performance through the analytics provided in the dashboard. By following these steps, you will enhance your site's visibility and improve indexing on search engines. Enjoy leveraging WordPress.com's SEO tools to boost your online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.